Hey guys, what's going on? So this is another update with the Chevy Tahoe. I mean, I've been driving it for the last week and it's been driving perfect. Not one hard shift ever since we added a quart of transmission fluid. Not one. I mean, I'm driving it right now. Let me flip the camera and I'll show you. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of gas and it's just gonna shift perfect. Shifts like butter. So I'm at the point now where I'm just gonna get it through the shop and do its regular service and maintenance and get it prepped for retail. You know, either way, I've already decided, since I'm not putting any money into the transmission, like buying a new one or rebuilding it, I'm just gonna include a 1-year warranty with the purchase. So this way, whoever buys it doesn't have to worry about it, and I don't have to feel bad that the transmission's gonna go in a month or 2 months after they buy it or something. So I'm gonna include a 1-year warranty with this thing, and it's ready for retail. I think I'm gonna sell it for 16 grand. I'm gonna ask all the money. It's super clean inside and out. So again, it's a 2015, 131,000 miles. I think I'm going to ask 16,000, and I think that's super fair on both ends. It's going to have a 1-year warranty, engine and transmission, everything. So if you are interested, shoot me a DM below and be on the lookout for this thing, because I'm going to get it through the shop and then I'm going to get it detailed and photoed, so it's going to be listed for sale soon. If you want a chance to buy it before it hits the lot, you know what, shoot me a DM and maybe we could work something out.